Yo, what's up gamers? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional gaming profile photo just like this. If you want a color and stylish gaming TP for your YouTube, Discord and Instagram, any platform, now make me sure you watched till the end. Let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop. By the way, English is not my native language, please excuse any mistake. You can take any size of there. I will go with 4000 pixel, drag and drop your gaming character. Resize your photo, then add a new solid layer and I choose the color black. Add a new solid layer. I choose the color red. Then go blending option and choose linear dose. Linear is actually light effect in background side. Then select brush tool and make sure color choice in white. Then you select red solid layer. Go max option black side, black selection like Control I. Then brush tool as a background like you want to 3 click our lighting higher. Create a new solid layer. I choose like white color and make sure your light effect background like little more white. Select your character layer and double click. Open your blending option. Add a stroke, inner shadow, inner glow and drop shadow and create a new solid layer and drag and drop on top side. Select the color. I color golden vibe like yellow tone and that is here. That's it for today's video. If you help, please leave the comment and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you next time.